Good morning. It's 30th of April today. That is another magic tree in my garden. Apple tree number 6. I believe it is grafted on M9 rootstock. Originally, when I bought it, it was grafted with one of the russet varieties. Then I added few more on one of its branches. That is a grafting giant. On one side the variety is Khala, the other one is the Galton variety. They have a lot of flowers opening up. On this branch, that is originally grafted variety of russet, which has flowers on. On its other branch, these are two varieties I brought from my brothers. One is dark red. When it goes closer to ripening stage, its color changes from red to very dark, has a very good resistance against a lot of diseases. And the other one is a red variety. They both are nice varieties. They both have grown and have some flowers on one of the other branch in the middle. That is its grafting giant, and the variety is Suntan, which has some flowers, so hopefully it will give me some fruit this year. The other variety grafted onto this branch, that variety grafted onto this branch, that is called Winter King. They call it Winston as well. It has a lot of flowers on its other branch. Originally, that was grafted with Braeburn variety. That's its grafting giant. Then it branches into two, and on one side I grafted this variety. That is its grafting giant. I have lost the label, so I don't remember which variety it is. But the other one, that is Braeburn. On another branch, that is it's orange red, and if you look at the whole branch, it is full of flowers. So that's another magic tree in my garden. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, you can subscribe to my channel and you will have easy access to me and to my videos. Thank you.